We just have about 4 more minutes to go. Mayuresh Joshi of Angel Broking joins in, and we have been in conversation with our other guests as well, Ashwini, Mitesh and Prakash. Mayuresh, Happy New Year to you. We're speaking for the first time in the new calendar year. Things are looking pretty good. What are you buying now?
Happy New Year, Sonia. Good to see you back. Actually, again, I think, as Prakash was mentioning, being a little bit more selective, specifically in the mid-cap universe, but within the large caps, again, ICICI Bank, on the corporate-facing private banking space is something that we continue to like, on the premise that things will get better in terms of both asset quality issues that the bank is facing, as well as the expectations of retail advances growing at a very fast clip, aiding its return ratios. Power grid from the large cap names is something that we'll still continue to prefer, and Reliance obviously is something that we remain extremely optimistic about. Capacity that has come through, the expectations of core capex behind it in its core business operations, as well as the telecom capex also largely behind it, plus expectations of ARPUs being better than incumbents and actually picking up, should give a significant improvement in the consolidated ROEs. Within the small and mid-cap universe, we are being very, very selective. Navkar Corporation is something that we continue to like in terms of expectations of the new capacity at Vapi actually aiding the top line and bottom line growth. The CFS addition at JNPT in terms of capacities should augur well in terms of the top line growth as well. And for the specialty chemical space, as Prakash was also mentioning, I think we do like this space. So Shri Pushkaran declines, where our own sense is that the top line growth can be far better than what we've probably seen in the last 2 to 3 financial years, would clearly play out on the bottom line. And the valuations look a tad bit expensive. Any decline becomes a very good buying opportunity.
Speaking of, well, we still have our guests with us. Mayuresh, let me take your thoughts on this. As far as mid-caps are concerned, what is the one specific theme? Is there some sort of something that you're liking in particular? We've discussed specialty chemicals. Anything else that's top of mind?
So largely, as I said, I think apart from specialty chemicals, a few of these logistics stocks like Navkar should do well, because the entire space will probably have synergies working in its place as the e-way bill is implemented and mandated, and that should have a huge positive rub-off effect. But valuations probably looking very, very attractive at this point of time, and though the numbers have still not come for Navkar in the way that one really expects, I think the next couple of quarters do the talking for them. So yes, I think this is one element that we like, and again I think very, very selective on mid-cap IT. So Scient is something that I'd liked in the past. It has moved up significantly, but there are some pockets within the space itself that can still have a compounded growth over the next 2 to 3 years, specifically in the niche products or services that they're probably offering, and even this space is something that can be watched out for.
Okay, well, gentlemen, thank you for stopping by and taking us through what has been a really good day for the bulls on the Lal Street today. After a long